In this episode of I Tried It, we are going to test this side hustle that claims that we can earn $2 every 60 seconds. We're going to dive deep into what the original content creator says. I'm going to show you my results after completing this for 1 hour, and I'm going to tell you if you should even spend some time. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you should try this method that claims that you can earn $2 every 60 seconds. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a look at this side hustle. It claims that we can just do simple surveys and answering questions, and we can earn $2 every 60 seconds. All right, so this content creator says that we can go to this website, which I'll reveal in a second. We're going to answer a few questions, and then money is just going to fall out of the sky. It doesn't get any more difficult than that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this website. I'm gonna show you my results, and again, should you waste your time? The website is called enrollapp.com, and as you can see on the screen here, you're just going to enter in your name and your email, and they're going to send you something to sign up. You will get paid with PayPal, and you're just going to answer basic questions. It doesn't get any more difficult than that. Believe me, it really is. I'd like to tell you that there's more to it, but there's not. You just answer questions and potentially get paid. And so once you enter in your name, your email, you confirm, and you enter your PayPal, it's going to come up with a series of questions right on the dashboard. One of the problems that I had with this method is the questions are redundant. Every 10 questions is every 10th question is about the same question. It's asking you, do you have kids? Do you have kids in high school? Do you have kids? Are you a parent? Do you go to PTA meetings? Just redundant questions over and over again. Okay. And so what I did is I actually took an hour of my time yesterday and I just answered the questions, and I've got a time lapse running so that you can see for yourself that I did this for an hour. 1 hour doing this process on this website. So without further ado, we're not going to belabor this point at all because I want you to see my result. One of the biggest problems that I had, as you can see on the screen here, this is my dashboard. And it says, do you drink more than 1 cup of coffee per day? No. The thing is that these questions are really simple. And you can see I answered about 550 questions in the span of 1 hour. I'm going to click on continue earning points. Have you ever taken this as prescribed? No. And every 10 or 15th question is the exact same question. I'm going to hopefully get to it so that you can see. Do you wear women's shoe? Now, in the beginning, they ask you what your sex is, and I told them male, and they continue to ask me questions about being pregnant, about women's shoe sizes, about purchasing abroad. Do you like to eat bananas? No. But, it's pretty simple. It doesn't take a lot of effort. However, I've said this multiple times, low effort equals low results. In this instance, it actually equals no money or very low money. Have you ever watched The Bachelor? I don't know. But you can just quickly run through these. And I did this, as I mentioned, for over 1 hour. I did this for over 1 hour yesterday. And these are my results. So I'm going to look at achievements. I have 18 badges. I'm still on Earth. I have 625 points. One of the problems is they don't actually tell you what these points equal to. You kind of have to figure it out for yourself. You can see I've got all of these different badges. Congratulations, good for me. But if we look at the financials, which is something that you're probably most interested in, you can see that I have made exactly 20 cents in an hour. Now, I only made that 20 cents simply because this morning it invited me to complete a questionnaire, and I quickly ran through that questionnaire and I got paid 20 cents. Now, again, the original content creator claims that we can earn $2 every 60 seconds. I did this for an hour, and you can do the math all you want, but this comes out to 0.000002. So as we can see here, the original content creator stretched the truth quite a bit. The other great thing or other interesting thing with this is that you need to have a dollar payout. Now, you don't see on this website, you don't see how many people have been in this program. You don't see how many people have made money. This is just a very basic, bare bones website that leaves a lot left to be desired. Again, as I mentioned, it doesn't tell you what the point system is. At least with other websites that I've tested before, it will tell you, $1 equals 1,000 or 1 million swag bucks or Q points or whatever it might be. But you can see here, my payout date would be May 11th. I need to have a minimum of $1.01 reach so I can get paid out. PayPal would actually take some fees as well, so I wouldn't make that $1. But I spent over 1 hour of my time to make 20 cents. This is not worth it for you. I don't care what situation you're in. I get people all the time that say, hey, I am desperate. I don't have any money. I am working, doing very menial labor. I need something that works. This isn't it. You're better off going to get a second job, because I worked for 1 hour and about 5 minutes and I made 20 cents. I could go to McDonald's up the street and get paid $17 per hour. This is not worth your time. So just a fair warning and a heads up and a caution. You should be doing what the gurus are doing and not what they're telling you to do. Like this guy, Victor, he made a 14-minute video where he answered some questions, but he's making money by A, affiliate marketing. This is an affiliate link, and B, by having people watch his YouTube videos. That's kind of why he strung this whole thing along, so that he could add more ad revenue. So with the ads that pop up in the middle. But just a word of warning, don't do this method. This method is not worth your time. I don't care where you're at. I don't care what you're doing. There are so many better ways to make actual money. You can create and sell a digital product. Literally, create a digital product on anything. You can create content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, you name it. You can create content and you can monetize it. Pick one niche or pick one problem to solve, create content to solve that one problem, and just be persistent and consistent with it. Don't stop after 5 videos and say it doesn't work. You have to continuously create content and upload. The other thing that you have to do to be successful is you have to learn from your upload. Don't just blindly upload and then throw your hands up after 6 months and say it doesn't work. Upload, look at the analytics for feedback. Upload, look at see what your target audience is saying for feedback. If you want to be successful in 2023, it is not by earning $2 every 60 seconds. Because if we did the math, that's $2 every minute, essentially. There are 60 minutes in an hour. That's what, $180 we're looking at an hour. That it doesn't even add, it's not even logical. And that's the thing that really bothers me with this type of content, because someone's going to go out there. In fact, 85,000 people, and that number is inflated. Let's say 80,000 people see this video. They're going to go try it, and they're expecting to make $2 every 60 seconds or $2 a minute, or $180 an hour answering questions. They're going to try this method. It's not going to work. They're going to be even more frustrated. They're going to be even more angry and tired and annoyed. And they're going to think that making money online is not an option, or it's not possible. When in reality, it is very much possible if you identify one problem, and that problem can be literally anything. It could be about women trying to figure out the best purses for their needs. It could be about formal wear. It could be about basket weaving. Identify one problem, create content to solve that one problem, and then figure out ways to monetize it. Affiliate marketing, selling digital products, selling physical products, all of it works except for this. Please don't do this, because you will waste your time. You will waste if you're paying for internet, you're going to waste your internet connection money, your metered broadband. You are going to be frustrated. You're going to be angry. Don't do this, okay? I recommend affiliate marketing. I like affiliate marketing because there's you don't need any money to get started. You can partner with products that are already established and have marketing push behind them, and you just create content to solve problems. That's my favorite thing to talk about. That's my favorite thing for new people to get started trying to make money online. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description. I am giving away free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your free planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.